अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पीपीएससी जूनियर क्लर्क कंप्लीट सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 23/11/2024 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। एंटी करप्शन डिपार्टमेंट में जो पेपर हुआ था उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। हु वाज द 2022 नोबेल प्राइज इन लिटरेचर? एनी अनार्स। शी बिलोंग्स टू फ्रांस। When was All India Muslim League formed? 30 December 1906. First census in India was made in the period of Lord Mayo. India suspended Article 370 of Kashmir in the year 2019. Which key is used to refresh all web pages? F5. Which shortcut key inserts a new slide in current presentation? Control plus M. Antonym of forbid. Allow. The first nuclear power plant in Pakistan was set up at Karachi in 1971 with the help of Canada. The non-cooperation movement started in 1920. Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Mahatma Gandhi. Which source contains the highest amount of iodine? Seaweed. In which year were the Olympics held in Greece? 1896. What were Mikhail Gorbachev policies? Glasnost and Perestroika. Who is known as the father of electrocardiography? William Einthoven. What is the term used for someone who narrates a hadith? Muhaddith. Who wrote the Tota Kahani? Ishfaq Ahmed. Antonym of parasite. Host. PNN is the news agency of which country? Pakistan. PNN stands for Pakistan News Network. Article of Constitution which gives Supreme Court so moto power. Article 184. Tuchi Pass connects Ghazni with Banu. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization FAO is in Rome. Who is the current Prime Minister of Malaysia? Anwar Ibrahim. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Canada. Makali Necropolis was inscribed as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981. Annulment of Partition of Bengal was made in 1911. A Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography of whom? Nelson Mandela. The first nuclear power plant in Pakistan was established at Karachi. Cadaver means corpse. Which key used to delete a character to its left side of the cursor in MS Word 2010? Backspace button. GT Road was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. The UN Security Council consists of 15 members. The Atlantic Charter is associated with which two countries? USA and UK. Shortcut key for blank presentation in PowerPoint? Control plus N. Who are Harut and Marut in the Quran. Angels at sixes and sevens. Bewildered. How many states are there in Australia? 6 states. How many countries does the Rihanna River pass through? 6. India revoked special status of Kashmir 2019 when Quaid-e-Azam took oath as Governor General of Pakistan 15 August 1947. Mughal Emperor Zahiruddin Babur was buried in which city? Kabul. Karakoram Range is located in which part of Himalaya Range? South. When did India enforce Domicile Act in Kashmir? 1 April 2020. Johannesburg is the city of South Africa. Headquarters of the Arab League is located in the city of Cairo. Which country joins NATO on 4 April 2023? Finland. Hard disk invented first by IBM International Business Machine. Name the Indian Parliament is Sansad. In second migration, Hijrat-e-Habsha, which Sahabi along with the Prophet Hazrat Jafar Tayyar. Where is the Patola Pass situated? China. How much of Earth's surface is covered by water? 96.50%. Dynamite was invented in 1860. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.